Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay, and today we're learning English through a real-life, easy conversation. And I'm not alone. I'm here with my friend, Bunny.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bunny. I'm so happy to be here with you.
If you're new here, this channel helps you learn English step by step.
Yes, you can listen, repeat, and copy our short sentences.
Today's topic is something that helped me a lot in daily life. 10 minimalist rules that changed my life.
Wow. Minimalism sounds simple, but powerful.
Exactly. And we'll keep the English simple, too.
Great. Let's start.
Bunny, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. I feel calm today.
Calm? That's nice. Why do you feel calm?
Because my home is cleaner than before.
Oh, you cleaned again.
Yes, but not only cleaning. I'm practicing minimalism.
Minimalism, like having fewer things?
Yes, fewer things, less stress, more space.
I like the more space part. My room is always full.
Mine used to be full, too.
What changed?
I started following small rules, simple rules.
Like daily habits?
Exactly. And after a while, my life felt lighter.
That sounds amazing. But is it hard?
It can feel hard at first, but you start small.
I want to try, but I don't know where to begin.
That's why we have today's lesson. 10 rules, one by one.
Perfect. I'm ready.
Before we begin, please like this video if you want more English conversations.
And subscribe to Mr. K English channel so you don't miss new lessons.
Also, leave a comment. It helps the channel grow.
Here's a simple question for you. Where are you watching from?
And another question, do you like a simple life or a busy life?
Comment below. We want to read your answers.
Rule 1. One in, one out.
Rule number 1 is very famous. One in, one out.
What does that mean, Kay?
It means when you bring something new into your life, you remove something old.
Like clothes?
Yes, clothes are a great example. For example, I buy a new jacket, then I donate an old jacket.
That sounds fair. You keep the number the same.
Exactly. It keeps my closet from becoming too full.
What if I buy two things?
Then you remove two things.
Oh, that makes sense.
This rule helped me stop shopping too much.
Because you know you must let go of something.
Yes, it makes you think before you buy.
I like that. It's a smart rule.
Try repeating one in, one out.
One in, one out.
Great. Rule 2. Clear surfaces, clear mind.
Rule 2?
Rule 2 is clear surfaces, clear mind.
That sounds like a quote.
It is kind of like a quote, but it's practical. When my desk is messy, my mind feels messy.
I understand. A messy desk can feel stressful.
Yes, papers, cups, cables, random things, everywhere.
That's my desk right now.
So I started clearing my surfaces. My desk, my kitchen counter, my table.
What do you keep on your desk now?
Only the essentials. My laptop, a notebook, and a pen.
Wow, that's simple.
And when I sit down to work, I feel focused.
Because there are no distractions.
Exactly.
Can I say, I feel focused?
Yes, that's a good sentence.
I feel focused when my desk is clean.
Perfect.
Rule 3. The 60-second reset.
Rule 3 is one of my favorites. The 60-second reset.
What do you do in 60 seconds?
I reset one small area. I tidy up fast.
Like what?
For example, I see a cup on the table. I take it to the sink.
That's easy.
Or I see my shoes in the hallway. I put them back in their place.
That takes less than a minute.
Exactly. You don't need motivation. It's only 60 seconds.
I like this because it's not scary.
Yes, Many people don't clean because they think it will take hours,
But 1 minute is possible.
and 1 minute becomes a habit.
So you do it many times a day?
Yes, whenever I notice something.
That's a good idea.
Repeat with me. I'll do a 60-second reset.
I'll do a 60-second reset.
Great job.
Rule 4. Stop buying just in case.
Okay, rule 4.
Rule 4 is stop buying just in case.
Just in case means maybe I need it later, right?
Exactly. I used to buy things like extra cables, extra cups, extra boxes, extra tools.
Because you thought you might need them someday.
Yes, but most of the time I didn't use them.
So they just took up space.
Yes, and they created clutter.
Clutter makes cleaning harder too.
Exactly.
What do you do now?
Now I ask myself a question. Do I need this today?
And if the answer is no,
Then I don't buy it.
that's powerful.
It saves money too.
I need this rule in my life.
Rule 5. Make decisions fast.
Rule 5 is make decisions fast.
Fast decisions? That sounds risky.
Not for big things, only for small things.
Like choosing what to wear.
Yes, or choosing what to eat for lunch.
I spend so much time deciding lunch.
Me too, before. I would think pizza or noodles, and I would waste 10 minutes.
10 minutes every day becomes a lot of time.
Exactly. Minimalism is also about mental space.
So now you decide quickly.
Yes, I choose and I move on.
I choose and I move on. I like that phrase.
It's simple and strong.
It can help with overthinking.
Repeat, I don't overthink.
I don't overthink.
Nice.
I choose and move on.
Perfect. Rule 6. Keep a maybe box.
Rule 6?
Rule 6 is keep a maybe box.
What is a maybe box?
It's a box for items you're not sure about.
Like, should I keep it or donate it?
Exactly. You don't need to decide right away.
That's good because decisions can feel emotional.
Yes. For example, I find an old t-shirt. I don't wear it, but it has memories.
So you feel guilty throwing it away.
Right. So I put it in the maybe box.
And then what?
I write a date on the box. After 30 days, I check it.
And if you didn't use the item?
Then I donate it.
That's a gentle way to let go.
Yes, it helps you avoid regret.
I want a maybe box now.
Rule 7. One home for every item.
Rule 7 is one home for every item.
Every item has a home?
Yes, every item has one place where it lives.
Like keys?
Exactly. My keys always go in the same bowl near the door.
That's smart. I always lose my keys.
If every item has a home, you don't waste time searching.
And your house stays tidy.
Yes, because things don't travel around randomly.
What about small items like hair ties?
Hair ties have a home too.
Wow, that's real minimalism.
It also makes cleaning easy because you know where everything goes.
That's a great point.
Practice this sentence. Everything has a place.
Everything has a place.
Nice.
Rule 8. Digital minimalism.
Rule 8 sounds modern.
Yes, Rule 8 is digital minimalism.
That means less digital clutter?
Exactly. Your phone can be messy too.
My phone is very messy.
Mine was messy too. I had too many apps.
What did you do?
I deleted apps I didn't use.
Like games you never play?
Yes, and apps I downloaded just to try.
What about photos?
I cleaned my photo gallery too. I deleted blurry photos and duplicates.
That must take time.
It does, but I do a little each week.
How do you feel after cleaning your phone?
I feel lighter. I feel more organized.
Your phone feels like a calm space.
Exactly.
Rule 9. Say no more often.
Rule 9 is important. Say no more often.
Oof, that's hard.
Yes, it's hard for many people.
People feel bad saying no.
True. But no is not rude. No is a boundary.
A boundary protects your time.
Exactly. If I say yes to everything, I feel tired.
And stressed.
Yes. So I learned to say, sorry, I can't. I'm not available. Maybe next time.
Those are polite sentences.
Yes, you can say no kindly.
What changed in your life?
I had more time for my goals.
Like studying, exercising, and resting.
Exactly.
Rule 10. Buy time, not stuff.
Okay, the final rule. Rule 10.
Rule 10 is buy time, not stuff.
Buy time? That sounds interesting.
Many people buy things to feel happy.
Like new clothes, new gadgets, new decorations.
Yes, but those things often become clutter.
So, what do you buy instead?
Sometimes I pay for something that saves time.
Like food delivery.
Exactly. Or paying for someone to fix something.
So you can rest or work on important things.
Yes, time helps my life more than objects.
That's a deep lesson.
Minimalism is not only about less stuff, it's about more freedom.
More freedom, more space, more peace.
Exactly. Great. Let's recap all 10 rules together.
Okay.
Rule 1. One in, one out.
Rule 2. Clear surfaces, clear mind.
Rule 3. The 60-second reset.
Rule 4. Stop buying just in case.
Rule 5. Make decisions fast.
Rule 6. Keep a maybe box.
Rule 7. One home for every item.
Rule 8. Digital minimalism.
Rule 9. Say no more often.
Rule 10. Buy time, not stuff.
These rules are simple, but they create big change.
And you don't need to do all 10 at once.
Yes, start with one rule.
Small steps every day.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Comment below, which rule do you want to try this week?
And tell us what is one thing you can donate today.
We will read your comments.
Thanks for learning English with us on Mr. K English Channel.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.
Practice our sentences out loud. Repeat again and again.
And don't worry if it's not perfect. Keep going.
See you next time.
Bye everyone. Have a wonderful day.